Announce our winner for Entertainer of the Year. Please welcome again Managing Director of Genesis Luxury, Mr. Sanjay Kapoor.
And the winner of the award is Ranveer Singh.
Hello, may I know what this is for? I act 'cause it's all I know. Hey, I don't know what else to do. Let me start by saying thank you. It's been a good year. Two very, very good movies. Two appreciated performances as well. Talent is God-given, you know. It's what you do with it that matters. So yeah, I go out there and I try and utilize it to the best in the best possible way. I'm glad that people recognize that Lutera is a performance that deserves points.
Yes,
It was
acclaimed,
it was something very risky, something very difficult for me to do in particular, which is even hot, right?
Box office.
Yeah, and people, I mean, the messages that I'm getting, feedback from getting for that performance is just extraordinary. It's overwhelming.
And to give out the award for Entertainer of the Year, I'd like to invite on stage jeweler par excellence, Nirav Modi.
You're an icon for today's time and the epitome of grace and elegance. Deepika Padukone.
Good evening, everyone. I'm really bad with speeches, and unlike Ranveer, I haven't rehearsed. Sorry. I really think this one's not for me, but really for the people who've seen me over the years, who've been there for me and really made this possible. So thank you.
It feels great. It's definitely been a great year for me at the movies, and I think I can only be grateful and thankful for everything that has come my way, and so much has happened so suddenly, so soon.
Yeah.
But I think it's really about enjoying the moment, and now just sitting back a little bit and enjoying all the hard work that I've put in the last couple of years.
For the award